Welcome to How Ines Rolls. It's been a minute and I've missed all of you. So today I thought I'd take you along with me to go do some grocery shopping and let's chat. All right, so I've been gone for like over a month and I'm just so appreciative to everyone who's left like encouraging messages, who have messaged me directly on Instagram. I have been loving your comments. Thank you so much. So today, I'm just heading to head over to the Vons, our nearby Vons, and I'm gonna use my app that gives me, my For You app that gives me some great prices on some of the things. And our son, Isaiah, he's coming home tomorrow. So we are so excited. And I have other things to show you. It'll be on my next video, just getting ready for when he comes. And I just could not believe it's gone. This last month has gone by quickly and also very slowly, if you can believe that. So we're just getting things ready and I'll be showing you very soon what we're doing. But today I just want to get some things because we have, my sons are all going to be here. I need to get some food in the cabinet. So let's go right now.
So this isn't going to probably be the last time that I am going grocery shopping because our son is giving a talk in church on Sunday. And we're having like an open house so that people can come and visit. Not very many, but just some of our close friends and family and stuff. And so we're getting things ready and I'll talk to you about that. But I know I'm going to forget something. I always do. So I am getting things for our family to eat. Just kind of snacky. Paul's got the whole week off. Kobe has the whole week off. And we're just going to enjoy our time with our missionary. So I just want to make sure we have enough to kind of snack on and all that. So I'll show you what I get, but gotta get the mask on.
All right, I am back and I am going to show you what I got at Vons. Now remember I said that it wasn't going to be a huge haul. I was just thinking like a bigger dinner or lunch since everybody's home and like stuff to snack on or make sandwiches with. So let me show you what I got. So I love that grocery stores have like apps where you can even save more. I know like Albertsons and Vons shares the For You app. I know Smith's or Kroger's has their own loyalty card. We were able to get a whole bunch of 2 liters for 99 cents. And so let me tell you why. For Isaiah, when he's doing his talk at church, he wants to do a soda bar, and so and we're gonna have some cookies. So we're gonna just kind of have like where you can make your own like fizz drinks or swig drinks. We're super excited. So we wanted to get 2 liters so that they can make their own drinks, and we found them all on sale, and I'll show you some more. First off, I bought these. I know Ezra loves these little yogurts. We don't see them very often, and they're not like super cheap. He just ran in here because he knew I was talking about it, and he's all smiles. He loves these. He can have them for snack or for breakfast. And I bought a couple of these home style vanilla ice creams. I had a coupon for it. The first time I bought this flavor, the lady at the counter was like, at the register said that this one tasted just like her grandfather made it when she was a little kid. So that was impressive. And I know that Paul and Jonas really love this home style vanilla. Let me know down below if you've ever had this one. And then let me know what you thought about it. So I got these 6 packs of cola or Diet Coke and Diet Dr. Pepper. They were $1.99 each, so I had to buy them. They were right now the best prices for the sodas are like in the 2 liters and in these 6 packs. I've been finding that those cases, the 12 packs, are not as cheap as they usually are, with the exception of just Easter that passed. So, oh well, that's why we chose to do the 2 liters. So I got an A&W and then 3 of the Diet Dr. Peppers. That was my portion, so I have 4. Paul got a bunch of like the Coke, Diet Coke, Coke Zeros, and then we got a lot of the Sprites, because the Sprites are very easy to make these soda mixtures with, kind of like an Italian soda. And so with my 4, we're gonna have 18 2-liters in the back. So I think that's enough. I hope it's enough. So I also picked up some of this French vanilla coffee creamer. That's a really easy way to add a lot of flavor to a soda, is just to add a dash of that or pour into it, and it makes it kind of what they call a dirty Diet Coke, dirty Dr. Pepper, and it has such good flavor. So we have this one, and I also have a sweet cream one that I've already purchased. And then Vons had a great price on these. These were $4.99, which is cheaper than Costco. And this is my favorite, medium cheddar. So Isaiah's asked us to do Easter dinner the weekend he comes home. So that Sunday we'll have it for lunch. And so I need the cheeses to make my extra yummy funeral potatoes, which are the cheesy potatoes. You can just check my videos for them. They are the best. And I also make my cream of chicken soup, gluten-free, and it's homemade, and it's delicious. I picked up some sour cream just because I'm going to be using this in some recipes, and then I thought maybe I can make some like onion dip or something. We'll see. All right, so I bought the fixins for some sandwiches. I had to get Grandma Sycamore, but I also wanted to get this Dave's Killer Bread in whole wheat, but I have to be very careful because I can't get the extra seeds. Isaiah, not too long ago, was into the emergency room with some abdominal pain, and they thought it was perhaps diverticulitis, which is what I had not that long ago. So we probably should stay away from like the little seeds and things for the time being, just for now. So this is like a thin sliced 100% organic whole wheat, and I know Dave's Killer Bread is delicious, and lucky me, it was on sale. So I have that for sandwiches. I picked up a couple of sliced cheddars in medium. The best. My favorite kind of cheddar. Just some turkey. We also have some ham in there, and I have tuna, which nobody will eat except for me. I just picked up some Oreos. They were on sale, and also the eggs were. So I picked up a couple of these. I go through lots of eggs, you guys, and I'm still eating the 2 ham cups every day. If you don't know what that is, I just take like a square of ham and put it in a muffin tin, crack an egg in it, bake it at 400 degrees for 14 minutes, pull it out, sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and bake it for another minute. Let it cool, and then I freeze them. Like I make like 48 at a time, and I have a lot for a few weeks, right? That's pretty good. And they are the best still to me. So I have that, maybe with a slice of toast. Delicious. So what else did I get? Easter clearance. Let me know down below if you pick up the clearance candy after a holiday. I mean, is there ever a better time to buy some? So these were like $2.50-ish each, which for Vons, it doesn't seem like that's quite the discount, but whatever, it was on sale. And then I picked up 2 of these London broils, because in my thought, I was like, let's make like a nice little lunch on Friday. We can enjoy each other. We don't have to rush out. Or do errands and stuff like that. I already know Isaiah has some that he wants to do, so we can just kind of have plenty of food here at the house. So we'll have London broil barbecued, we'll do some baked potatoes and some other things too. So I just feel like that will be a wonderful meal for us. So let me put this away, and I'm near the end over here. All right, really quick, all I did was have the fixins for a big salad that we'll have on Sunday as well. I used a couple of different lettuces. I got some cucumbers, some celery, some tomatoes. I'll even put some apples on it. I also have a 10-pound bag of potatoes and some toilet paper. I also picked up some broccoli. We could have that with the London broil. Favorite way to cook the broccoli, 400 degrees. Bake it for 15 minutes with just like some cooking spray or olive oil, salt and pepper. it'll get like kind of blackened, a little charred, and then when it comes out, just douse it with a little bit of lemon juice. It's so good, so fresh. Picked up some of this for like 75 cents. So I had a good for you coupon. And then I also picked up a couple of these whipped creams for the sodas. Seems like it would be perfect for those Italian type sodas. I picked up 3 bags of these chips. They were 3 for $5 and some bananas. So that is it, you guys. We have lots of great plans coming up. We can't wait to see Isaiah, and I'll be taking you along with us. So stick around. You know what's coming out next. Bye, guys.